We're gonna be doing the spray and bedliner on my truck. I'm gonna head out to go buy the stuff that I need. Use that. We're gonna be trying out the Krylon spray and bedliner. So I'm gonna go. We're gonna stop and eat real fast. We're thinking maybe some Chili's or something, or some Yard House, and then after we're gonna stop and buy the stuff we need so we can start it. Keep you guys tuned.
Una Cheyenne 90 se ve por el bulevar, bajita se ve pasar, una
It's just a little bit dirty right now, but it's gonna be my workshop. Just gotta clean it up. I think I'm gonna probably try to clean it up this weekend. I have my pool table over here all the way on the side, just with a bunch of stuff on top. But I'm gonna be cleaning it out. That way I can be able to park my truck in here and do all the work that I have to do. I just feel like I need more sides over here on each the right and the left side. So I'm gonna clear it out. That way we can start doing the work here, and this is where we're gonna be doing our work. Alrighty. Alright, so here it is. Here's the truck bed. So we're gonna be getting started. First I'm gonna be prepping it. So I'm gonna be, because you can tell that someone has already kind of started, had probably already coated it, but I'm not sure if it was just long ago. I mean, I haven't done it, so it's probably just peeling now. Which, I mean, I'm gonna be doing with the spray can that I have, which is the Krylon one. So it's gonna be this one. The Krylon truck bed coating. So it's gonna be I bought 5 spray cans. I'm not sure how many it's gonna take. I'm hoping I have enough with 5. I'm gonna just be prepping it real quick. I'm gonna prep it by sanding it off, cleaning it up, and then just starting to so we just finished sanding it and putting the tape all around the edges so we won't get the overspray. So pretty much this is how it's gonna be. We're just gonna start spraying like that. We didn't do like a complete yeah, we're not doing like a complete sand like to bare metal. We're just doing a quick one, just a quick little job, and little touch up, and we'll just touch it up down the line if we need to. But we're gonna start spraying it. We just wanted to show you guys before how it looks, the before and then after once it's done. Alrighty, y'all. So here's the finished product of the spray and bed liner. Before it gets dark outside, I just want you guys to see it. So I mean, it's not like a perfect job done. I mean, it has its imperfections, but I mean, it does the job. Looks way better than it did before. I mean, I like it. I'm satisfied. I mean, obviously I think I could have done better, like I said, but for my first time doing it, and what was it, 4 or 5 spray cans, 20-25 bucks. Can't go wrong. You can't beat it. Looks a lot newer like this. Looks way better now. So there it is, the finished product. I'm not sure how it's gonna hold up over time, but I mean, my truck's mainly gonna be in the garage, so it's not gonna be getting too much sun. So I think we should be good. But there it is. I just wanted you guys to check it out. Hope you guys like it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys support my truck channel. We gotta support each other, like I said, support each other in our truck community. So there it is, you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos coming up, as well as new builds that I'm gonna be adding to the channel. Thank you guys. Alrighty, see you guys in the next one.